Happy New Year all. By the special grace of God, I am the director of Utico Welding and Construction Company. I am here to let you know that we are dealing with foreign gates. We give you an assurance when you are starting using it. We deal with foreign gates, remote gates, solar water heater, solar pump is now available here. We deal with iron roofing, different design of doors, we deal with it. So I'm here to let you know that you can call us. Solar street light is now available. We are dealing with that now. That anytime, any moment that you call us, even in the night, we deliver to your doorpost. So we are here to let you know that we are available also in solar system. Any kind of solar, we have our public board banner on the road. Also, when you get to Gregory Junction, you can see our banner. We are here in the YouTube, we are here in Twitter, Facebook. Anytime you call us, we answer, we deliver to you. So we based on solar street that very, very serious, and any kind of anyone iron roofing, anytime you need one, we can deliver it to you. I'm giving you the direction of the place of the office, the head office now. We are coming to Lumola. You stop to at Gregory Junction. You call us, and direct us, and direct you to our office, Airport Road. When you are coming to Usoba, you can stop the same at Gregory Junction. Come down to Airport Road. Then our head office is there. My number is 0703 101 8834. 0703 101 8834. We deal with foreign iron also with different kind of design. This is the design, foreign design. This is the foreign facade that you can see on top of the foreign gate. So call us on 0703 101 8834. God bless you.
The company is where we fabricate the pole. As you can see, we have different sizes of the pole here. The company is moving forward. We are spraying NDDC color. Any kind of color you want, we can deliver to your doorpost. Thank you. Call us 0703 101 8834. Thank you. As you can see, the painter is working. As you can see, the painter is working. As you can see, he's spraying the pole. The fabricator, all workers, we are ready for the work this year. As long as you call us, we can deliver to you. Thank you very much.
no know where I dey. My eye go turn like person wey don drink. I be girl, wetin you do for me? I feel like say I don lost my way. See my body in the cash like them. I dey burn fire, I dey catch fire. Somebody come and quench fire. How I take this myself?